This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, health, or medical advice. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our content and updates. Every medical activity involving a patient must be recorded accurately for various purposes. Health is a continuum. A medical incident that happens at one point in a person's life will likely impact their health moving forward, even years in the future. This is why each event or visit to a medical facility must be logged. When a person returns to the hospital or clinic, physicians and technicians should easily be able to access their detailed medical history. This is easier said than done, especially for hospitals or clinics with traditional reporting systems. Fortunately, with ePCR software, these reports can be made available in an instant. The evolution of patient care reporting, an introduction to ePCR software. What is ePCR? Electronic patient care reports are meant to replace hard copies or paper patient reports, which take up space, are much harder to organize, and can become a fire hazard. Modern medical facilities are doing away with paper files because of the many benefits of ePCR, including 1. Accuracy. Facilities use established, standardized terms. When all reports use standard terminology, they become uniform and more accurate. 2. Clarity. Because everything is typed and not handwritten, anyone who needs access to a report can easily read and understand it. 3. Organized. Medical staff can quickly organize files according to patient groups such as age, gender, or medical issues. 4. Accessibility. Whoever needs a certain record can easily find it just by typing a few keywords. It beats going to a cramped file room and opening steel cabinets one by one looking for the right folder. What is ePCR software? It allows healthcare facilities to document every patient's medical visit, diagnosis, medication, history, and recommended future visits with ease. The system replaces traditional filing systems that are printed on paper and stored in folders. These folders and files take up huge storage rooms in hospitals and clinics. As with many modern healthcare technologies, capital can be used to invest in hardware and software to streamline such systems. Without the need for storage rooms, the extra space can be used for more important things like additional treatment rooms. Key features and benefits of ePCR software in modern healthcare systems. The benefits of ePCR software go beyond eliminating traditional paperwork. There are deeper implications that affect patient care and the healthcare industry as a whole. 1. Medical staff can spend more time caring for patients. People often take for granted how much time staffers of any industry spend doing paperwork. It takes a lot of time and effort to accomplish all the required documentation for one patient getting one procedure in a medical facility. With robust software, medical personnel don't have to spend hours writing out charts. Instead, they can focus on caring for the patients directly. 2. It fosters easy communication among healthcare divisions and companies. Since all reports, information, and medical details are stored in the ePCR medical system, anybody with access will have the data they need ASAP. For example, a new cardiologist is checking on a longtime patient of the facility. The doctor wants to prescribe a new set of medications, but to be safe, wants to make sure there are no contraindications in the patient's history. Instead of calling on staff to sort through voluminous documents to get the patient's file, the cardiologist can simply pull up the patient's records from the digital database. The patient's complete medical report will be up in seconds. Of course, this depends on the efficiency of the ePCR software installed and maintained by the facility. With access to the medical records, the cardiologist can also send a request to the pharmacy for new medication, so when the patient drops by, everything has been wrapped and ready to go. Similarly, the billing team will be looped into the patient's medical activities for accurate and efficient billing and insurance processing. 3. It provides real-time updates and reports. All medical reports are completed on computers and smart devices, which means all information is stored in a central system. All data gathered from the patient is entered into the system in real time, so all procedures or treatments done will immediately reflect on their records. In emergency cases where a patient is transported via ambulance, the mobile team can pull up the patient's information within the ePCR medical database. This way, emergency medical technicians will have a complete medical background of the patient in their care. In the same manner, billing information is updated in real time. Whenever a medical procedure is completed, it is immediately reflected in the bill through the real-time information sharing system of the ePCR software. As such, payments and insurance claims can be processed right away, with little to no hassle for the patient or the billing department. Who benefits from ePCR software? The healthcare industry as a whole will greatly benefit from ePCR medical software. Specifically, the following will have an enhanced professional experience when a robust system is integrated across hospitals, clinics, and other medical facilities. EMTs and paramedics. First responders will benefit greatly from knowing the medical history of the patient in their care. Emergency room (ER) staff. ER personnel can gather information from real-time rescue reports from EMTs and paramedics while en route. The ER staff can then prepare the necessary medical equipment and tools to treat the patient as quickly and efficiently as possible. Medical directors and hospital administrators. Through reports made by different departments, upper management can figure out how best to streamline the facility's procedures and operations. They can also monitor if protocols are followed and if staff follow all documentation procedures. Billing staff. The billing department doesn't have to scour multiple pages of records and receipts to create accurate billing reports and insurance claims. Insurance providers. Processing claims has never been easier with electronic records. NEMT companies. While they don't cater to emergency cases, NEMT companies ferry patients with special medical needs who may call for such a service. NEMT companies that use ePCR software for record keeping are sure to deliver accurate and timely NEMT-related reports to boost productivity and ensure customer satisfaction. Improving efficiency and accuracy. How ePCR software enhances documentation and reporting. ePCR software helps improve workflows in terms of time and energy. The medical documentation process becomes much faster, which gives staff more time to deliver the best possible care for all patients. Everyone in the medical facility, from doctors to nurses and support staff, can provide better care because they can access all important patient information and medical history in just a few clicks. The appropriate medication, treatment, and procedures will be provided because of such a robust system. Accuracy is another important advantage delivered by software. Human error is unavoidable, but the good thing about ePCR software is that it can detect redundant entries and other mistakes. These can be corrected quickly and with very little extra effort. The entire medical process and reporting will be efficient and accurate. The most important benefit is for the patients, who will always have a good experience when they visit a clinic or hospital for treatment. It is important to note that the quality of the ePCR software is critical to its performance. Not all software is created equal. Some are better than others. The medical industry is constantly evolving, and an important element of its progress is streamlined record keeping and reporting. Gone are the days when medical personnel had to keep voluminous files in folders for every patient. Today, a simple search and a few clicks on the computer can deliver all key medical information using ePCR software. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.